jump in there.
Not making much headway that way, buddy. Hey guys, so today we are exploring Gatlinburg, which is a kind of a touristy community just outside of the Smoky Mountains. So Gatlinburg is located in Tennessee, on the Tennessee side of the park, and so we're going to go explore that today. So what we did yesterday, we were there for a few hours just to grab some supper and stuff, so we're going to go back and really kind of go and see the shops, see the town. It's kind of a really neat little place. One thing is that they have a trolley service here, and for 50 cents you can take it from certain locations outside of the town into town. So it's 50 cents one way, and then once you get into town, if you're not inclined to walk, it's you know, it's a fairly small town, but you know, it's bigger than a lot of touristy towns. You can grab the same sort of trolley but for free actually. So when you get here, they have a live feed on their website about where the trolley is. The one we're taking comes every 45 minutes from the campground and it goes into town. So we're just waiting for it now. It should be here within the next few minutes. And then we're going to explore, and hopefully you guys will enjoy what we come across. So this is what the trolley signs look like. The bottom right corner you can see a blue bee. So each line is a different color. So the one that we're on is the blue. There's pink and green and a bunch of different ones. So make sure that you know which one you're getting when you get on it. When you get into town, you'll notice that each of the major street lights has a number associated with it, and that will tell you where the trolley will go. It will stop at certain lights. So the one we're going to is traffic light number 8, which is near the aquarium, and we're actually going to be going there today. Forgot to let you guys know the hours, at least during the summer, at least during the week, probably the same on the weekends. Trolley runs 8:30 in the morning until midnight. We're just waiting for it now. According to my calculations, which are pretty much based on nothing, it should be coming very shortly. Look at that. Mere seconds after I said it would come, the bus has arrived. What do you mean? That was like a matter of like 8 seconds. Alright, so one thing about the trolleys is that unlike like a city bus, they don't follow a timed schedule. So even though they come supposedly every 45 minutes, they're not saying that, you know, at this stop they're supposed to be there at, you know, 12:05, next stop is at like 12:08 or, you know, something like that. So it's not like that. That's why they have the live feed. So if you're taking the trolley, make sure that you're checking that, or else you could be waiting around for a while. When you get downtown, there's the main stop here by the aquarium, and it will tell you on a screen of when it's going to arrive. So that's handy. Anyway, so we're getting to the aquarium now. So that's going to be our first stop today, because actually Krista's never been to an aquarium. Review, go.
It's really pretty.
There were animals,
Yep.
mostly fish-like creatures.
Oh. We're fish-like creatures?
Not penguins.
They're fish-like. They have fin flipper things.
Everything had a fin, a flipper, or feet. It's true. That's not a statement that is
True.
leading people astray. Oh, I don't know where this is. Alright, so now what's the plan? Just look around.
Yeah.
Get some. Oh, look, baby ducks.
Where? I can hear them.
Do you see them?
Yeah. Sweet.
Oh, they're waiting for that one last one.
Oh, he's timid. There he
There
goes.
you go.